Just turning 6:19 now on a beautiful start to our Friday morning. There's a view from our Vero Wireless Neighborhood Weather Network camera at Cedar Point, not too far from Lyman. You see the shield of clouds coming up from the south. It's going to overspread much of the area for a few hours this morning, but it's given us some real pretty color in the sky in some cases. Just a beautiful sunrise. And as you look south, you can see the gray conditions viewed from overhead door near Powers and Galley. So first half of the day is going to be a little cloudy for some of us. Temperatures, though, are pretty comfortable. We're generally in the 30s and 40s in most of eastern Colorado, Springfield and Trinidad already up to 50. Lyman's a little bit colder at 24, and then we have some colder air up across the high country, which isn't a big surprise. And Futurecast suggests maybe a few sprinkles over the plains. A lot of what you see here, the greens and the yellows on the map, is water that will be in the clouds but having a tough time making it down to the ground. But the clouds will be the bigger story, I guess, this morning, and they'll shift off towards the north with time. Notice by lunchtime, some clear air is starting to move into southern Colorado. That's some very dry air. That's going to kick off the stronger wind when the sky starts to clear, and that's when we're going to have our concerns about fire weather. I wouldn't really be concerned about any significant precipitation today, but late in the afternoon we'll start to see some scattered rain and snow showers break out across the high country. There could even be a little lightning out there somewhere. Again, most of that stays to our west, and we just end up with a day that's a little bit cooler, but still pretty warm for this time of year. Again, wind is going to be the bigger story, especially out across the southeastern corner of the state where we're going to have some gusts over 30 miles an hour on occasion. But as we move into the afternoon, a lot of areas will see wind speeds running between about, say, 15 and 25 miles an hour with occasionally higher gusts. So that's a drawback to today. It is going to be warm with 60s and 70s in most cases. Could have lower 80s over the southeastern corner of the state. High country going to be in the 40s. Salada, Alamosa probably in the upper 50s to lower 60s. We'll be in the 50s around Teller County today, 60s through most of Colorado Springs. I think by the time we hit Fountain and Hanover, we'll likely have lower 70s. Late this afternoon, there could be a few sprinkles break out across Teller County, but we're not expecting anything significant. And that's also a possibility over the mountains south and west of Pueblo, particularly over the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. But for most of us, it's just a windy, mild day with highs in the mid-70s in Pueblo and Boone today, probably about 70 in Canyon City. We'll have 60s on the higher terrain south and west of Pueblo, and perhaps only 50s over the Wet Mountain Valley. We head into tonight, and Futurecast continues to show some snow at times moving across the high country. It doesn't really bring much precipitation into eastern Colorado. There could be a few sprinkles or flurries around this evening. We don't expect any significant rain or snow. Tomorrow morning, though, Futurecast is showing that there's some precipitation up to our north, but I want to switch you to another model here. There's an upper-level circulation that's actually pretty intense, and I think there's an opportunity for us very late tonight into early tomorrow morning to see a quick little burst of wind-driven snow, and you see that on this other model moving through the Pikes Peak region during the early morning hours. So it might be a little bit scary out there if you get that overhead. Maybe a quick couple of inches of snow on the Palmer Divide or northern Teller County is a possibility. Lows tonight, 20s and 30s, so it will be cooler, but still not bad for this time of year. Teens and 20s up across the mountains and mountain valleys. We go with 50s tomorrow. Again, we may have a little snow in parts of the Pikes Peak region in the morning. The afternoon should be partly cloudy and blustery with 50s. Sunday, only about 30 and a good chance for some snow. We'll be dry Tuesday and Wednesday. Might have some more snow around about Thursday. Cripple Creek looking pretty quiet this morning at the Century Casino. Again, Teller County mostly in the 50s today. Could have a few sprinkles or flurries. And then maybe tomorrow morning, late tonight, tomorrow morning, a quick little burst of snow. Better chances for snow on Sunday with highs only in the 20s. And it'll really stay cold on Monday, too. A little warmer Wednesday, then back down with another chance for some scattered snow showers maybe on Thursday. Pueblo 70s today, 30s by Sunday, and a chance for some snow for you as well. And we're back into the 50s briefly on Wednesday. Canyon City, again, maybe a few sprinkles around today or this evening. Otherwise, pretty quiet the next couple of days on the precipitation front. But Sunday's colder with a chance for some snow and highs in the 30s. Josh and Bryn, back to you.
All right.